Welcome to the Food Zone, where we take this journey together, learning recipes as one, leaving you with a humble and caring experience. Dansoy, welcome to my page. Today is a really quick and easy egg recipe on English muffin. You can make this for very cheap, and you can make it in every country. Enjoy. Let's take this journey together. Alright YouTube, so put your eggs in the water and put your stove up to high, and we're going to let this boil. Once it boils, we're going to put the cover on and turn everything off, and then we're going to let it cook itself. Alright YouTube, so you can see that the eggs are boiling. Turn your stove off and stick the cover on. Now, steam is going to cook the eggs. You're going to want to leave this covered for 5 to 6 minutes. It all depends on if you want soft or hard-boiled eggs. Alright, YouTube. So as our eggs cook, we're going to want to butter these muffins with softened butter that's been out for at least an hour. And then we're going to toast them in our pan. Alright YouTube, so our eggs are done. You're going to want to take that cover off, drain the water, and fill it with cold water and let that sit. And while that's going on, we're going to toast these English muffins. Alright YouTube, so you see that the eggs are drained. Now fill that with cold water and let it sit for a minute, so it'll stop the process of cooking. Okay YouTube, our English muffins are toasted. The 2 eggs cooled down, so peel the eggs and we're going to put them on the muffin, and that's as easy and simple as it comes. Alright YouTube, I actually didn't need both of those eggs. You can see how I cut this in half. So you have that nicely toasted English muffin, and you're going to want to just break this up. And to make this, it actually only costs 70 cents. So this is really cheap, and this will keep you eating at home, and it'll keep you being more healthy. So to finish this off, just add some black pepper, and we're set. And thanks for being part of this episode. Much more to come. Alright YouTube, so there you have it. Like I said, your soft-boiled eggs on English muffin, and in the northeast part of America, it only costs 70 cents to make this. So new people, please subscribe, hit the bell, and I will bring you 4 to 5 uploads every week. Peace, Dansoy Cook. Bye-bye.